Hey everyone, in today's video I will show you how to connect Mailchimp to your WordPress site in just a few simple steps. Updated for 2025. Let's get started. First of all, log into your WordPress admin dashboard. This is where all the magic begins. Now, scroll down and go to plugins, then add new and search for Mailchimp for WordPress. Then hit enter. Now look for the one by Iberry code or MC4WP Mailchimp for WordPress. Iberry code. It's the most popular and reliable. Then click install. Then upgrade and activate. Next, let's grab your Mailchimp API key. Head over to mailchimp.com, log in and click on your profile icon. If you haven't already signed up, then go to your Mailchimp profile icon and before activate account. Enter your first and last name, business name, phone number. Then your address. Then next. Then follow the on-screen instructions or skip for now. Then hit confirm. Then next or skip. After that, select your plan which best suits your needs. Then profile icon, then account, go to extras, then API keys. If you don't have one, create a key, then copy it. WordPress, back in WordPress, go to MC4WP, then Mailchimp, and paste your API key and hit save changes. If the key is valid, it will show your Mailchimp lists below. Now let's create a sign up form. Go to MC4WP form and either customize the default one or create a new form. You can add name, email, and other fields as you like. To add this form to your site, copy the shortcode from the form page Then paste it into any post page or widget using the shortcode block. Once it's live, test the form, fill it out on your site, and check Mailchimp to make sure the subscriber appears in your audience, then all contracts. And that's it. Your WordPress site is now connected to Mailchimp, ready to grow your email list like a pro. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more quick how to guides. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.